You are watching a master at work.
What's up, DJ fam? It's your boy DJ ERNZ World to the World Mixsho DJs back with another tutorial. In this video, we're just going to be going over transforms, right? So, backwards. So, a couple things to know with transforms. Hopefully, y'all have watched previous videos, but if you haven't, for the most part, it's all about releasing the vinyl and letting the fader do the work. So pay attention to that always. Sometimes it's not all about, right? It's not all about that. It's just being smooth, letting the record go, and being fast on the fader, right? If you want to bring it back, right? So the mechanics are release, open and close the fader as fast as you can when you think transforms, right? So, right, you can go fast, you can go slow, right? If you want to start off slow, start off slow. I encourage everybody to count the amount of times they can open and close the fader, right? So if you want to release on the downbeat, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? Do at least 2 to start off, because if you're doing 1, you're just doing a cut, right? You want to do at least 2, right? 3, 4, 1, 2, 1, 2. Notice I am cutting it off before I bring it back, right? That's the pattern I'm going with for now, but eventually we'll get to, right? Eventually. But for now, when you're just starting off, you want to just start off simple. Simple as in focusing on the forward release, right? So 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, right? The more you do, the faster you have to be on the fader. Pay attention to that, right? 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. So we'll start off with 2 and we'll build up to like 5, right? So 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now remember, those numbers and those counts can like come in different rhythms. So like with the beat low, it's like 1, 2, 1, 2, or 1, 2, 1, 2. It depends on distance, right? Remember, always keep in your head distance and speed. If you look at my previous tutorial where I'm talking about just the vinyl itself, it's all about distance and speed, right? Right? If you're going slow and your hand was on the platter by itself, now you could have a little bit more control here and just go fast on the fader, right? Right? See that? So distance and speed, keep it in your head, right? More transforms. 4. And these are forward transforms. I'm going to do focus on bringing it back in the different videos. Just forwards, right? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Forward. Notice the fingers I choose to open the fader, right? Sometimes I'm using my middle finger, ring finger, index finger. It really depends on like which finger is getting tired, right? But I can really use these 3 for the most part: ring, middle, index. right? If I feel like one is getting a little bit tired or cramped, I'll just switch the fingers. So something to pay attention to, right? Most of the time, it's my middle finger though. The easiest is I would say the easiest is gonna be my middle or ring finger. Just because I guess it's like closest to my thumb if I'm just resting, right? These two are kind of, sometimes I'll use both, right? And always remember, it's your thumb that closes the fader, your fingers open the fader, right? If you're scratching this way, I know with, if you scratch hamster, it might be reverse, right? It's gonna be the reverse of that. But for us, who scratch this way, your fingers open, your thumb is gonna close the fader, right? And remember, when you're doing your rhythms and your patterns, you can come in on the downbeat, you can come in on the first measure, you could come in on the two, right? As you start understanding song structure and the song you're on and the rhythm you want to get into through practice, you'll start to get your patterns down, right? So I'll do both. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Remember, these are all forwards, right? So let me give you the right, so now watch the waveforms. 2, 3, 4. More simple sounds like 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Right, a little more simple. Right? Simple transforms on the downbeat. Watch the waveform. 4, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Right? Now if we wanted to go on the 2, sounds like the 2 and the 4. We're gonna transform on the 2 and the 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Right? You hear the difference between 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 4. Right? This is if you were going on every beat, right, in the measure. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Not easy to do, but sounds good, right? So those were forward transforms. Make sure you keep all those little tips in the back of your mind when you're practicing distance, speed, releasing, letting the fader do the work, right? Coming in on the downbeats, coming in on the 2s and the 4s. Keep all this stuff in mind. If you want more exclusive DJ content and resources, be sure to sign up to the Mixsho Academy and the Discord. Link is in the description. It's your boy DJ ERNZ, ERNZ World to the World, signing off. Subscribe to the channel, and I'll see y'all in the next video.